Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you top 5 Chrome extension to prevent virus ads, pop-ups and malicious websites. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open the Chrome browser, open your profile, then in the search list type Google Chrome extension, Google extension and search it on Google. Now you can see the Chrome Web Store, the website, open it, maximize this and in the search list search for ad guard ad blocker, type ad guard. As you can see this, click on this. Now the best thing about it lightweight, open source and super effective. It blocks pop-ups, trackers, malware domains and scam ads, and it's highly customizable for advanced users. So to add to the Chrome, just click on add to Chrome and click on add extension and it will get added in your Chrome browser. It's very simple to use and user friendly. Now the next one is Malwarebytes browser guard. As you can see this is extension, click on this. It's actively block malicious websites and scam and stop tech support scams, phishing pages and potentially unwanted programs. It is created by a trusted cybersecurity company and it is official to use on Google Chrome. Just click on add to extension and it will get added in your Chrome browser. Now the third one is uBlock. We all have heard about the uBlock. It's very efficient. It block ads, trackers and phishing domains and has anti-malware and anti-scam protection, and it also frequently update filters for better safety. Now going to the next is our Ghostry tracker and ad blocker. Type Ghostry. Now it focuses on privacy and blocking trackers, speeds up browsing by blocking ads and analytics scripts. Just to click on this to add to Chrome and you will have a safe browsing experience. And yes, last but not the least is Smart HTTPS. It forces site to use secure HTTPS connection, protects you from unsecured sites that can be hijacked or spoofed. So guys, this was a video on how the best 5 Chrome extension to prevent you from malware apps and pop-ups. I hope you like the video and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.